Shoot first, ask questions last. That's how these so-called gangsters last. Waka flocka front. I'm bursting at them. I'm bursting at them. I'm bursting at them. Ain't no talking, homie. I'm just bursting.
Hey, shoot him, man, I got that punk.
Oh, Jay, shoot him.
I got him.
Oh, man, that gravitational pull really sucked that bullet down, you know what I'm saying, man?
Yo, son, what do you even know about science?
Yo, what do I know about nature of science? Man, I know everything.
Then give me a definition, man.
Well, for my elementary education, science provides us with hypotheses, and people in societies try to explain and prove these hypotheses. You know, like with using their sixth senses and stuff, you know, man?
So you mean like observations and experimentations?
Yeah, you know, bro, all that fancy stuff.
Hey. Man, I still don't understand these questions of the origin of science and epistemology.
You don't know what epistemology is? Man, epistemology is...
Well, I mean, I know, but... Wait, I don't really know what it is.
Well, we need answers, and I know where to get them. The Science of Nature Bank.
Oh, dude, I know that bank. We gotta rob that bank to learn about science and actually get an education.
Alright, man, this is how we're gonna do it, alright, dude? We're gonna run up the stairs. We're gonna sneak up the stairs, actually. We're gonna break down the front door. And then we're gonna put the guns to the clerk's head and be like, yo, give me all your knowledge. And then we're gonna run away.
Dang, dude, that's a good idea. I got a hypothesis for this.
Alright, hit me up.
How about if we rob this bank, then we should be able to get a better education of science, right?
Yeah, dude, that's a great hypothesis. If we rob the bank, we become smart. Let's see if it's
do
proven
it.
good. Let's go! Alright, man. Let's go! Bust down the door.
Alright, man. What the heck? I thought this was McDonald's.
No, man, this is the bank.
The bank of what?
The Bank of Nature of Science.
What do we know?
Well, I don't know. What do you know about science?
I know everything about science.
Me too. Yo, give us all your science. What? Wait. Why do we even want science?
Science is stupid.
Yeah.
Man, science isn't stupid.
Yeah. Science is important because everything we know in this world has derived from asking many questions and wanting to gain more knowledge about the world around us. For example, Dr. Edward Teller in 1952 discovered the hydrogen bomb. The hydrogen bomb works on a physical principle known as nuclear fission. As nuclear fusion. Sorry, I don't know what confused you. Nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, the nuclei of atoms combine together or fuse to form a much heavier nucleus. This only happens under extremely hot conditions. The explosion of an atomic bomb connected to a hydrogen bomb provides the actual heat. To begin fusion, hydrogen nuclei fuse to form helium, and as this happens, enormous amounts, I'm talking like, here's like, you feel me, man? Like big, for huge, I'm talking enormous amounts of energy, and they are released from the hydrogen nuclei. In the end result, this creates an extremely large explosion, resulting in devastating effects. Hoorah!
Oh, what, man? That's stupid. How's that even useful?
Yeah. What? Man, how's that useful? It saved over 500,000 lives. And that right there, that right there is the true nature of science. Yeah. To explore and investigate the world around us to improve today's society and to answer unanswered questions. See what I mean, Homdog?
I feel
And we just told them, what's up? Wait, I'm still confused. How does science really work? You know? Like, how's it work?
Luckily I found this sheet about science in our drawer. Well, science takes unanswered questions and tries to answer them by using certain steps called the scientific method. These steps involve asking your unanswered question. From there, you then proceed to conduct the background research. After this, you construct a reasonable hypothesis. Then you test the hypothesis. And then you analyze your data and draw conclusions. By taking these reasonable steps, you can show and explain how science works through using real and experimented data. And that's how science is. Oh, well, how do you know if any of that's true?
Yeah, we want the truth. Yeah. Well, one simple word. Epistemology. Epistemology is a branch of philosophy that investigates the origin, nature, methods, and limits of human knowledge. By knowing this, we can use science to research the present, the past, and use these to create a better future. For example, going back to the hydrogen bomb. You know, like, before fusion, and then to detonation, and then to fission, and then to fusion. And this is how we know what we know. Boom! What's up? You know what, man? Son? Stupid. We want some real knowledge.
Dude, my shotgun's jammed.
Oh, dude, don't worry about it, bro. I got a gun for you. Alright, let's go! Let's go! Oh, she's fine! She's fine! Alright, we'll give it to you, alright? Eat these cookies.
You will get very smart.
You will gain knowledge of science if you eat these cookies.
Eat the cookies.
Take them. Alright, thanks, man. Alright, thanks, man. Alright. Oh, I'm so smart. Alright, let's go! You're dead, let's go! Wow! Man, what are you doing? Drop your mask! Oh, man! Man, what were you thinking?
What are you talking about?
You took your mask off in there, man. There's cameras.
No, I didn't.
They saw
I
you.
have evidence.
I have evidence
You
right
have
here.
evidence?
Come here. Look at this. Look at this.
That's not me.
That is you.
It's not me.
Look at you. You're right there.
That's not me.
This is you. Yeah. That's you.
That's not me.
No. Get on your knees right
That's
now.
not me.
Get down on your knees.
What?
I'm sorry, man.
What?
I'm smart now, and I can't have you ratting me
No.
out. I'm sorry.
No.
Man, ever since I've eaten those cookies, I'm so smart. I know everything from the scientific method, nature of science, and even photosynthesis. I guess that proves our hypothesis was correct.
Shout it, shout blood, shout it, shout, 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 shout blood, shout it. Walk A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, H, L, M, P. Walk a, bow, 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 bow.
Science is all around us. Wait, dude, what are you doing?
Dude, get out of here.
Only do it.
Walk,
Walk,